welcome back to my channel. My name is Hema, and today I'm starting with the Smashbox Primer Water, and then I'm going in with the NYX No Filter Primer on top of that for extra hold on my coverage. And then I'm going in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in orange. And for today's foundation, it's the Huda Beauty Tres Leches Foundation. I'm then just going in with a little bit of concealer under my eyes, and then I'm blending that out with my Real Techniques Beauty Blender. Then to set my concealer, I'm going in with the Huda Beauty Banana Bread powder under my eyes. And before I do anything else, I'm just going to fill in my brows and set them. So for today's palette, I'm actually going in with the new Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy palette, and I'm just using these 4 shades here in New Yorker, OG, 1988, and Liddy. So I'm first picking up the New Yorker and OG shade, and I'm just applying that to my crease and just using a back and forth motion to blend that out. I'm then taking up 1988, and I'm using that on the corner of my eyes to create the shape of my eye look. And then I'm going directly to the lid with Liddy, and that's going to be my little glitz and glitter for today. I'm then going in with 1988, and I'm just adding that to my lower lash line and connecting the shadows together. For lashes today, I'm going in first with my Maybelline mascara, the Falsies line, which was my original favorite mascara. So I'm just going on top of my lashes with these Kiss blowout lashes, and I'm just going to apply a little glue and then attach the center of the lash first, and then fixing the outer and inner corners. I'm then just grabbing my MAC Studio Fix powder, and I am removing excess powder from my face as well as setting everything into place. And then I'm going in with the Balm Cosmetics Bahama Mama bronzer and adding a little bit of warmth to my face. Then I decided to go in with a little bit of blush and applying that directly to my cheeks. And for highlight today, I'm going in with Anastasia's Original Glow Kit, and I'm just highlighting my cheekbones, cupid's bow, nose, and chin. For lips today, I am going in with the NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick in the shade Vintage, and I'm just lining my lips with that first. And then right on top of that, I'm going in with the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Stockholm. So this is my final look. I hope you all enjoyed my little tutorial. And as for my review on this palette, it is going to be one of my favorites for a long time, I feel. I really love all the shades and the sparkle and glitz and metallic shades in this palette. I also love that it does have a black eyeshadow, because I feel any great palette has to have a good black shadow. So yeah, I would pretty much recommend this palette. I really do love it, genuinely, and you will be seeing more tutorials with me using it. Thank you for tuning in and watching my video today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and until next week, bye guys!